So you're welcome to this video. We want to demonstrate how to use both the oscilloscope feature and the signal generation feature of the Espotec Labrador board. We will, of course, start off by connecting the board to the computer and having the software running like so. So to start off, we need to do the physical connections. So we will connect the signal generators, both signal generators, to the DC oscilloscope. Be careful to connect to the DC oscilloscope only, as we're not generating AC signals or DC signals. So you can see there that both oscilloscopes are connected to the function generators. Good. So we'll start off by generating 3 volts amplitude and an offset of 1. You will also notice here that there is some clipping or saturation here. This is something with the Labrador board. So you want to ensure that you have enough power from the power supply, let's say 10 volts. And you see that once that is done, your signal is clean. All right, so you can also generate a square wave, triangular wave, or a sawtooth. So for this video, we'll stick with the sine wave, and we will pause it here. So you just get your readings. You click, left click, you drag, you get your peak to peak values. And for the frequency, you use a right click button, you click and you drag, and you get your values on the screen. For the second signal, we will use a square wave, amplitude of 4, and offset of 1. And we visualize it with oscilloscope 2. So you see both signals there. We'll pause it. And so you can visualize both signals on 2 oscilloscopes. So you can view 1 or you can view 2 as you like. I also want to remind you or let you know that with the Labrador, you of course notice an offset of 1. For the purpose of this software, the concept is applied wrongly, unfortunately. The offset of 1 volt is not from 0 to the middle here, but it's from 0 to the bottom of the wave. So you notice this 1 volt. So please be mindful of that. So thank you for this demonstration. I wish you all the best as you do your lab exercises.